Hey everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, I want to show you more about Pride Mobility's newest folding electric wheelchair, and it's really a game changer in the industry. It's called the Jazzy Carbon HD. And one of the things that makes this chair so unique is that this chair can support 400 pounds of weight, but it only weighs 32.5 pounds without the battery. There's nothing like it in the industry right now, and we want to show you more about this in this video. So like I mentioned, there's other chairs in the industry that can support this much weight, but they typically weigh like between 50 and 60 pounds. This one supports the same weight and weighs 32.5 pounds when you remove the battery. So it's a game changer, it really is to the industry. So I want to go over this chair a little bit more here. So the first thing I'll show you is it comes standard with a cup holder, and the joystick is new. There's a new digital joystick on this chair. So you got an odometer, you got your speed in miles per hour. This is your speed control, so I can adjust it by pressing the down or plus arrow. Top speed on this is 3.7 miles per hour. And the range is a little over 12 miles. It is also airline approved. Here's your horn button. Also comes with a headlight, which is really nice. You can see the headlight there. Hard to see in the daytime, but I have tried this in dark and it is really nice. The good thing too about this chair is that if you're left-handed and you needed to move the joystick to the left side, it's super easy to do. It connects right here, so you can disconnect, remove this, and this is great because when you're traveling you can take this off easily. It's easy to do. It uses the same exact port on both sides. This port is the same size, so I can swap these if I wanted to do that and just move the wiring to the other side. So if you're left-handed, easy to do that. Let me connect this, got to line this up. And then just tighten this here and tighten the cup holder. So another thing about this, you can flip the armrest up to get in and out of the seat. One little thing I'll say is, so this is for transfers, but it doesn't go back any further than this. So this sticks out about 4 inches from the seat back. Something to keep in mind. Not a huge deal, but it might be for some people. But at least you have the ability to flip the armrest up. Now again, because it supports so much weight, you gotta have a big seat, right? There's folding electric wheelchairs in the industry that can support 400 pounds of weight, but the seat isn't that wide. So if you weigh that much, usually you need a wide seat. So they thought about that. So the distance of the width is a little over 20 inches, and the distance between the armrest is up to 22 inches. So you got 22 inches of seating area, which is great. So 20 inches seat width, 22 between the armrest, and then the depth, we're looking at about 20 inches. So it's 20 by 20. Foot plate is really large too. So we got 17.5 inches by 6. And then you'll notice here too that you can adjust this foot plate if you wanted to bring it up. Right now it's at the tallest position, but if I'm a shorter rider, I can adjust this up on both sides and get the foot plate to elevate up maybe about 2 inches. You'll also notice there is a spring suspension on the front casters, and in addition to that, you got 2 spring suspensions here. So you get a lot of give with that. Helps with over uneven terrain. Now moving on to the back, we've got 2 250 watt motors. You got your right and left motor. You also have anti-tip wheels. It's going to prevent you from tipping backwards if you go up an incline. And if I press both of these back, it puts in the freewheel. So if you want to stretch your legs and kind of use it as a walker, you can do that. Or if you run out of battery life, this is how you would push it to your destination. So you got that ability to do that. Just keep in mind that you can't operate the chair. So if I turn this on, it's going to yell at me. This is pretty cool. I'm going to show this to you guys. It's a smart joystick.
Right brake malfunction.
It says a right brake malfunction. It tells you exactly what it is.
Malfunction.
So you push the lever down.
Right brake malfunction.
Or I'm sorry, up.
Left brake malfunction.
So now I pushed them back up and it goes away. So now you can use the chair. A lot of times what happens is you would have to power it off and then power it back on, but it fixes itself just by doing that. So I like that. Also on the back of the chair, there is a little storage. Put some stuff in here. Also, if I flip this up, you can adjust how loose or how firm you want the seat back to be. So you got 3 adjustment straps. So I can make this really firm or really loose, whatever you want, which I like that. So if you want to have more lumbar support, I can make this really tight down here. On the joystick, you can charge the battery directly on the joystick here. You also have a USB-C charging port. A lot of the smartphones now have USB-C, so you can charge your phone on there. And then here's your headlight, which we turned on previously, just to show you what that looks like. We are giving away a free mobility scooter. Now, from the past of doing this giveaway, this is an authentic giveaway too, guys. We're actually giving these away to real people. This is not something that's set up. We give these to real people that actually subscribe and comment on our videos. But what we're finding is that a lot of times people are hard to get a hold of, and we want to give away to people that are supporting us. So moving forward, if you want to be eligible for this, all you have to do is comment on any video, subscribe to our channel, and then once you've done those things, send us an email at giveaway@electricwheelchairsusa.com. We'll put that on the screen, and then put your username of your YouTube name, and we're going to verify that you subscribed and you commented, and we'll have your email, so then we'll be able to let you know if you are one of the winners of our next giveaway. So just wanted to share that with you. You can also charge the battery directly on the battery itself, and it's easy to access. So it's right underneath of the seat. So you can bend right down here, pull this clip, this comes out. Now I can charge the battery directly on here. Here's a tester. You can see how much it's been charged. You can just press that button, hold it down for a second, and it'll let you know when it's fully charged. So you don't have to bring the whole chair inside your home. You can just bring this in, and then once it's fully charged, you can see there's these tracks right here. You can just line them up. There, you heard it click into place. Now you're good to go. I'll show you how to fold this thing. So it's a fold flat electric wheelchair. One thing I'll say is, just playing around with this, I think it's best to flip up the foot plate a little bit when you fold it. And obviously when you get it in and out, just using it regularly, it's easy to flip up and then put back down. So I'm gonna flip it up just a little. And on the back, you'll notice there is a latch here. So I can pull this, and which allows you to fold. And then when you fold it, you can just fold it up like this, and it'll sit upright too, just like that. Another thing they did is, like, when you fold it, it actually locks into place. So a lot of these folding electric wheelchairs, they don't lock like this. So let's say if you didn't grab it at the right place, but this is locked, I can pick it up from here and it's not going to unfold. So just a little thought design. Now you can also fold it flat on the ground. So let me show you what I mean. So I folded it with an upright position. Now if I unfold it again, let's say I want to fold it flat on the ground. You can do that. I just don't like to do that because I think you could potentially scratch the frame. But if I fold it like this, and you heard that click, and now it's locked into place. So really cool. Also, I'll show you this. I think this is really smart too. And it's kind of hard to see here, but this is textured. which prevents it from scratching easily. I think that's really smart that they did that. Even on this side too.
Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. You can also click on free catalog at the top of our website and just fill out that short form and submit it. And once we receive that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
So I'll show you what I look like in the chair. And again, I always like to do this just to give people an idea of what I look like in this folding electric wheelchair. So obviously I'm under the weight capacity. Here's a side profile of what I look like. So I'm 6'4", I weigh 235. This feels comfortable to me. You can see I've got a lot of room on each side here, plenty of room. And another thing that's really nice is when you get in and out of the chair, some people are concerned about putting their weight on this, these armrests, but it's easy to put your weight on here. I can put all my weight on. So when you get in and out, it's easy to do that. Let me fold it up. I want to show you one other thing that I like about this chair. So let's fold up the foot plate slightly. And when you fold it like this, I think this is great. It's easy to access the battery. You can access it with it being folded just like this. So easy to do that. Sometimes you might have to, there's some chairs you have to grab the battery from the back. So if you got it folded and you're setting it upright, easy to take it out this way. So driving this chair, right now I have it on the top speed setting, but I can put it all the way down to the 1 setting and it'll go at like a really slow pace. And I think that's important to a lot of people. Some people will complain these chairs are real jerky and they go too fast, even at the slowest setting. But this is at the lowest setting with me pushing down the throttle all the way on the joystick. It goes really slow in reverse, and this is on the top speed setting. You also don't have to worry about this thing continue to coast because it has the electromagnetic brakes, or has the electromagnetic braking, so it's going to stop automatically. Now I want to ride this in some grass over here just to show you what it's capable of. So can you ride this in the grass in your front yard or at the park? And the answer is yes, and it honestly operates just as fine as it does on a smooth paved surface. Great chair. So this is the Pride Jazzy Carbon HD. Really great chair. It came out early 2026. It's selling very well. And you can see why, right? It's also made by Pride Mobility, arguably the biggest brand in the industry. They have world-class support and a world-class warranty. The warranty also includes a 1-year in-home service contract. So if anything goes wrong in the first year of owning this chair, Pride Mobility will send a technician to your home to diagnose and resolve that issue. So you have that additional peace of mind. If you have any questions about this chair, give us a call. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444. You can also visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.